welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have the Child of the 80s Project Pan update for you. This was created by Jaylon, my girl, my sister from another mister. I don't know what it is about her. I just feel like she's a kindred spirit. I'm not sure why, but I just feel that way about her. Like, I feel like we're on the same page a lot of the times. This is her project that she created for the PANtastic Ladies. Of course, I'm going to have her and everyone that has joined in listed down below. You are welcome to join us if you would like. The sign-up sheet is actually in the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group. It is so much fun. There is 40 prompts, all with like pop culture from the 80s, and you have to pick a product. I hear my dog is loose out there. You have to pick a product for 8 of them. You draw them randomly, and you know, as you use one up or you meet your goal on one, then you roll it out and then you draw new ones randomly, and it's a lot of fun. I'm having so much fun reliving some of this pop culture because, you know, I was a kid in the 80s, and yeah, it's bringing back a lot of memories. So I am going to show you what I have in the order that it was brought into this project. I'm going to tell you what the prompts were, and you know, we're going to go through it. I do have one empty, a complete empty, not a gold met, but an actual empty, and I will be bringing a new product in for that one. So let's get started with what is still going on. Number 3, shoulder pads, which I don't have any shoulder pads today. My shoulders are pretty bare, but that is a product that amplifies, like a mascara, a glitter, a highlight, or anything along those lines. I am working on the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. It is still going strong, and I can't really show you the progress on it, but I have been using it for a couple of months. My kids are going crazy out there, and yeah, it is what it is. So it's probably going to be here next month. I don't know. It's one of those, mascara is one of those things, it works until it doesn't, and then it's like, bam, you know, you need a new one. It'll start to flake. That's usually my indicator that I need to move on to the next mascara. It'll start to flake on me, and I have extremely sensitive eyes, so I don't deal at all with any kind of flaking mascara. So yeah, when that happens, she out of here. All right, next is number 9, Star Wars. That is something glittery. I chose the ColourPop glitter gel because there's nothing more glittery than actual glitter. This is Break the Ice. I have used it, not enough. I really should prioritize it more, but you know, life is chaos, and you know, I use it when I can, but you know, it's going to be hanging around for a little bit. Next, 27, the Smurfs, something blue or with blue packaging. I went with blue packaging because yeah, I didn't need any more like blue eyeshadow in my life. So I chose a lip balm. This was not its original packaging. I really haven't used this one in the past month. It's going to get melted down and put into a lip balm tube, but my life is just too busy right now. I haven't gotten a chance to do it. All right. Going on to the Lost Boys number 16. It is a black or a vampy item. I chose the Jessica Nails Phenomen Oil. Look, I took a nail polish lid and like brush, and I replaced the broken top on that, and that is how I'm using it now. So far it has 6 uses. I'm happy that I was able to find a solution for this. I had thought about putting it in a roller ball, but I was concerned that it was going to get messy, and I had just finished a nail polish, so I mean, it was perfect timing, and it fit just right. The bottles are almost identical, so it really worked out nice for me. Next is 28 Nintendo, something that's fun to play with. Eyeshadow is fun to play with. So I picked a fun color. It is like bright red. This is from my Coastal Scents 88 palette, and I wear it frequently, but it's incredibly pigmented, so it's going to take a while. It is definitely going to take me a while. 32 Valley Girl, that's something glossy or shiny. Lip gloss, it's glossy and shiny. This is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream, and it is shiny. It is definitely shiny. I haven't used it because, yeah, just because I haven't used it. All right, number 2, Living on a Prayer, something that's almost done or close to being decluttered. It was almost done. The NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in white. It is done, yet it's not done, because I used it to make a really dark, really warm powder foundation into a liquid foundation, and that is not done yet, so it is frankened into something else. Until that is done, I am not going to consider this product done, so it's just going to sit right here on my desk until she is done. So that is not my empty. My empty is number 10, 16 candles, which, you know, that should have been number 16, Jaylon. Just saying, 16 candles, should have been 16. That is a product that makes all your wishes come true. Well, my hair wishes anyway. This is the Not Your Mother's Naturals Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. That's a lot of words for, like, yummy goodness. I have to smell it. This stuff smells so good. I really want more of it in my life. This was my last one. I had two and they're both gone. Kind of sad, but I am going to start working on another butter mask fairly soon. Yeah, I love this one. I love this one so much, and my hair is going to miss that one. So that was my empty. I am going to, I did a screenshot of, not a screenshot, but a screen recording of me on Pretty Random drawing a new number. I'm going to put that up right now. All right, and that new number is 24, and that is, we're going to pump you up. And if you were a child in the 80s, you know that one. It cracked me up. It was Hans and Franz, and it's kind of bittersweet for me because y'all know I lost my German Shepherd Hans last year to cancer, and we were going to get another German Shepherd puppy, and we were going to name him Franz. We were going to have Hans and Franz, so it's a little bittersweet for me, but I remember the positive stuff. So you know, just a moment that it got me. It's one of those things. But I do appreciate the whole theme from the 80s. So the prompt says it has to be something that is in a pump. I had words there for a second. I was like in my nostalgia moment there. And so I had to really, really search for something with a pump that wasn't going to conflict with everything else that I have going on, because I got a lot. I got a whole lot. I was like, it's got to be like hair care or lotion or something like that. And I'm like, I'm still working on a lot of those things anyway, but that's like my biggest leeway area. And then I remembered there was a product that I was thinking about putting in Graveyard Project Pan, but I didn't do it on the last update. So I'm just going to put it in this because it's got a pump and it's going to work and it's not going to take me long. So that should probably give me an empty for next update so I can roll in something else. This is the SWLKG Self Tanner. Don't ask me what that stands for. It was a review product that I never actually reviewed. They just sent it to me. Probably wouldn't have gotten the best reviews. Not horrible, probably been like a 3-star. Yeah, so I am right here, and I think I can finish this one in a month. I think I can finish it. It's not a bad product, don't get me wrong, as far as self-tanners go, but because they all pull a little bit orange. I don't know if anyone else has that issue. There are a few that don't, but most of them pull really orange to me. My problem is it has zero lasting power. Like, I don't even have to use an exfoliator on my legs or anything because I only use this on my legs, and it just comes right off. So, you know, it's got no staying power. What are you going to do? All right, I think that's going to be an empty next month. Cross my fingers that I can have that done. I don't think anything else is going to be done. I'm here looking at what I've got. So, yeah, it makes me happy that I was able to pick a product that wasn't a conflict and actually could probably be done for the next update because I want to roll something new in every time if I can. All right, definitely go check out Jaylon and everyone else that has joined in down there. And I think that's everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.